Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to clear all chats in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now and log into your account. Now let's simply look at how to clear all these chats. As you can see, here are all the chats that I have had with myself. This is a new group and others. I simply want to clear all the chats. Now let's look at that. At the top right, here are these three dots. Simply click on it. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up. Let's just go to settings. From the settings page, what you need to do is just go to chat. Do you know that there are other setting options as well, like account privacy and others? Let's simply hit chats right now. Now simply scroll down till you find something like chat history. Once you're in this page, it's gonna provide you with this few options like export chat, archive all chats, clear all chats and delete all chats. Right now we only want to clear all chats, so let's select this option right here. It's gonna ask for your confirmation and it's showing you something like this. Also delete media received in chats from the device gallery. You can select this option, it's completely up to you. And do note that you can also delete stored messages. Once everything's okay, simply click on clear chats. Well guys, that's it. That's how we clear chats. Now let's look at all the different chats available. And here you can see the chats have been cleared. Well guys, that's it. That's how we clear chats in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.